Namaste dear students and welcome in our RSC group of schools virtual classes of science for class 3rd and book name is Blossom chapter 5 Magic of Leaves and the topic of our today's class is leaves. The aim of our today's class is to learn about different type of leaves and their function. So now let's start with the keyword. The first keyword is basil. It means tulsi. Second keyword is mint. It means podina. The third keyword is variegated leaves. It means leaves having different colors. And the fourth keyword is photosynthesis. It means a process by which plants make their food. Children, you all might have seen different kind of plants. Some are big trees, some are small shrubs, and some are small herbs. But you all have noticed some common things between all of them, such as all of them have a root part that is under the soil and also have a shoot part that is above the soil. They all have a stem with many branches bearing leaves, fruits and flowers. So here in this chapter we will be discussing here about one of the most important part of plant, that is leaves. Leaves are the life of plant. Leaves of trees start falling down in winter and finally all leaves fall down. Without leaves, tree look ugly. Leaves are the identity of trees. Different trees have different shape of leaves. We also use different type of leaves. Leaves of spinach are used as vegetables. Leaves of banana are used to serve food in different part of our country. Leaf of mango is considered very auspicious in festivals. Leaf of mints are used to make chutney and also used make medicines. In the case of indigestion, leaves of basil are also considered sacred. Leaves of basils are used as medicine also. Leaves of date are used to make thatched roof. Apart from these, leaves are used in many ways in our life. Children, we will discuss here different type of leaves. First we discuss color of leaves. Most of the leaves are green in color. Leaves look green because of a chemical or a green substance called chlorophyll. But leaves of some trees are different in color. Croton leaves have many colors. This is a type of grass called ornament grass. See the color of its leaves with yellow strips. Leaves having different colors are known as variegated leaves. Now second point is shapes of leaves. Different plants have different shape of leaves. A tree can be identified by the shape of its leaf. Now third point is size of leaves. Some trees have small leaves, some trees have large leaves. Leaf of a peepal is medium in size. Leaf of a tamarind is very small in size. Leaf of a banana tree is a very big in size. Now our next topic is types of leaves. Based on the morphology, the leaves are broadly classified into two types. First is simple leaves and the second is compound leaf. Children, plant like mango and hibiscus have simple leaves. A simple leaf has single leaf blade that is connected to the stem by stalk. In a compound leaf, the leaf blade is divided into many leaf blades. Each small leaf is called a leaflet. All leaflets connected to stem with one stalk. Plant like rose and neem have compound leaf. Now children, we will discuss here part of leaf. All plants have leaves. Leaves are usually in green and flat part of a plant. Most of leaves have the following parts. Leaf blade, it is the flat part of a leaf. It is usually green. Second is margin. It is the edge or side of a leaf. Now third is veins. These are the lines like structure that runs across the leaf blade. Now last one is stalk. It means petiole also. It is the part that connects the leaf to the branch of stem. Children, we will discuss here smell of leaves. Smell of leaves of different tree or plant is different. The smell of mint leaves is different when compared to a leaf of basil. In this topic, children, we will discuss about plant prepared food. We all are able to eat so many fruits, vegetables, and can make delicious food items out of them. For this, we all should thank leaves that they perform photosynthesis and make food for the plant and indeed for us. Children, plants make their own food, but animals do not make their own food. They take food from plants. Plants prepare food in their leaves. Green color of plant is responsible for making the food. The process of making food by plant is called photosynthesis. Children, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food with the presence of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Only green leaves make food. Without chlorophyll, leaves cannot prepare food for plant. For examples, mold and mushrooms cannot make food because of in this plant chlorophyll is not present. Children, some plants do not have green leaves. Such plants take food from other plants. Cuscuta is a plant which climbs up on other trees. Cuscuta gets its food from the trees on which it climbs. Children, did you know in the spring seasons plant bear new leaves? With the new leaves, plant again become green. Now children, we will discuss uses of leaves. Leaves of many plants are used as vegetables. For example, leaves of spinach, leaves of cabbage, leaves of radish, etc. Leaves of banana are used to serve food. This happens mainly in the South India, especially in Kerala. Leaves of banana and mango are used as mouth freshener. Tea leaves are used to make tea. Leaves of basil, mint, neem and eucalyptus are used as medicines. Leaves of palm and coconut are used in making thatched roof in villages. Dried fall leaves are used in making compost. Compost is used as manure in field. Children, do you know what is compost? Natural compost is dead and decaying plants and animals that give nutrients to the plant. Children, I hope you all have understood about types of leaves and their functions. Thank you.